Welcome to homework.
Hi everybody. So here we have to find, using the problem of 9.7, to prove that if the body is a solid revolution where x is axis of revolution and mass of inertia is IA. Okay, so this is a long one, and so from this we have Ix equals here to y squared plus z squared dm. Iy is O, and it's going to be, since it lets me, z squared plus x squared of dm. Z equals O of x squared plus y squared of dm. And now we have Ix plus Iy plus Iz, which is O y squared plus z squared plus z squared plus x squared plus x squared plus y squared of dm. And this is going to equal to 2x squared plus y squared plus z squared dm. And here, your x squared plus y squared plus z squared equals r squared. So you're above, so this above equation goes to r squared of dm. And now what we have is Ix plus Iy plus Iz of the body equals Ix plus Iy plus Iz of the sphere plus Ix plus Iy plus Iz of the volume plus or minus Iyz plus Iy plus Ix of volume 2. And from Ix plus Iy plus Iz of the body, we get Ix plus Iy plus Iz of the sphere plus 2 here r squared dm minus r2 dm. And we have m1 equals m2, and we have r1 is greater than r2. And from this, this is m1 and this is m2. So from this, we have r squared dm is, because this is for 1, m1, is going to be greater than your m2. And because of that, we have your Ix plus Iy plus Iz of the body is going to be greater than Ix plus Iy plus Iz of the sphere. Okay. And so we proved that. And now what we can do is do Ix equals 2, 5, and a squared. Iy equals 2/5 and a squared. And Iz equals 2/5 ma squared. Okay. And ix plus iy plus iz of the sphere equals 6/5 ma squared. And for solid revolution, we have iy equals iz. And so from the equation of ix plus iy plus iz of the body, this is going to be greater than 6/5 ma squared. And so copy from 178 problem, we have iy is greater than ix. Oops, that's supposed to be ix. Ix over 2. And from that, we have 2iy minus ix over 0. And from that, we have 5iy greater than 6/5 ma squared. And this iy is the body. And this is going to be 620 ma squared. And if we simplify it, so we have iy of body, and we simplify it, it's going to be 3/10 of ma squared. And that is